Okay, so first you're going to clean off your shrimps, take the tail off. I have the whole wheat pasta, petite tomatoes, ragu sauce, marinara, garlic, my cousin's garlic sauce butter, panko breadcrumbs, and then I have baby spinach organic. You're going to add that in there too. Give it a little vegetables all in one. So you're going to take your breadcrumbs and you're going to sear it. And I seared it with the garlic butter made by my cousin. And then the spaghetti. So you're going to take your spaghetti and you're going to boil it for about 15 minutes. And then you are going to layer it. Rinse it off, layer it with the noodles, meat, sauce, spinach, cheese. And then on top, remember, I seared that breadcrumbs. You're going to sear the breadcrumbs, then layer it all over top of your pasta. The shrimp pasta with the cheeses. You're going to bake it for 45 minutes. And then you're going to dive right into it. Look at that, delicious. Oh, look at that, delicious. I'm sorry, I use ragu spaghetti sauce because that's what this is, spaghetti, ragu spaghetti sauce. Delicious. Dive in and you will love this easy, simple, filling dish. Thank you so much from Shimon's Kitchen. Have a good day.